What's up guys, Chad with Character Club and drawersystems.com here with a quick video of a new drawer system that I just came up with for the Land Rover LR3 and LR4. So I'm just going to take you on a quick walkthrough of it and show you what we got. This is going to be our 11.5-inch model, so 11.5 inches high. It has a riser, and the purpose of the riser is to make it so that it's level because the actual floor of the LR3 and LR4 is sloped. So by putting that riser on the front, it levels it out, so when you open the drawers, it's actually nice and level. Inside the drawers, we have removable dividers. I put these in here. You can find these at IKEA or on Amazon. Really good for organization, and they're super cheap. Let's see, moving on. Front and side trim pieces, these flip up. These are removable, so you can actually get in there and also help with installation. Then we have the locking marine style slam latches. So these come with keys. They're key to light. And let's see, heavy duty D-rings on top for securing gear. And let's see. Oh, awesome. This drawer is actually designed so you can take this drawer out, and if you ever want to replace this, the Dometic CD30 fridge will fit in this section right here. So if you ever want to upgrade, you can actually do that. And it's already pre-made with ventilation in the back and the sides, which we're going to see in a second. And yeah, so let's spin the car around so we got good lighting, and then I'll show you that as well. All right, moving on to the back side of the drawer system. So this is actually gives you full access to your rear seats, so you don't have to do anything with that. We actually just took the middle seat out in this to make captain's chairs in this LR4. And then on the back of the drawers, you're going to notice that it's recessed. And there's a couple reasons for that. So with the recess, it allows you another storage area, very big storage area for your tools, recovery gear, things like that. If you don't want it for that, you can actually put a dual battery system back here in all of your electronics. And then the other option is putting like a Jackery or an EcoFlow back here. So tons of space. You can see the cutout for the fridge. So if you were to opt for the fridge, there's the ventilation. There's also ventilation on the side, on both sides. And then you can see here, it's secured to the vehicle with heavy duty turnbuckles that are attached via D-rings on the actual, the factory D-rings, and then also the drawer system itself. And so if you notice here, there's a flap, and there's two things for that. One, it helps you get in and out, and it actually provides a bit more support than just a traditional L bracket that some people use in drawers. So if you put anything on top of the sides, plenty of support there. Yeah, so excited to also tell you guys that I moved into a new shop, which is behind me here. Enough space to get two very big vehicles in here, including Sprinter vans. And I'm actually shipping this drawer system along with other ones for other vehicles to the continental US via freight on a pallet. So if you are interested in this, head over to the website, drawersystems.com, and you'll be able to see this one and other drawers available. And if you actually like this one but have a different vehicle, hit us a message, because any of the drawer systems that you see on the site, I can pretty much tweak and make for another vehicle. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching. And if you have any questions, go ahead and post them in the comments below. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next video.